Modern construction technology is creating impressive breakthroughs. From 3D printing sustainable homes to TC plastic formwork, new methods are revolutionizing the construction process, saving time and costs. These advances not only improve quality but are also environmentally friendly. Discover the magic of advanced construction technology. It was incredible to see how the Tekla 3D printed eco-sustainable house was built with cutting-edge, innovative technology. Using advanced 3D printing technology and ecological materials, Tekla not only creates sustainable structures but also reduces waste and energy consumption. Its unique design provides excellent insulation and weather resistance. This combination creates a sense of wonder and excitement, ushering in a new era of sustainable and environmentally friendly architecture. At Soil Retention Systems, Inc., the installation of the Verdura soil retention wall system is efficient. Verdura blocks are precisely stacked, creating a durable and aesthetically pleasing soil retention system. With a maximum bearing capacity of 150 psi and a 70-degree tilt angle, this system is ideal for hilly terrain and unstable soils. The system not only prevents erosion but also supports planting trees, creating a clean and beautiful green environment. The installation process is complete, ensuring safety and high durability for the project. MER4 Compact A reduces the risk of cracking in Borak block walls. Reinforce the first layer, every fourth and last layer. With 400 mm high partition wall, reinforced first layer, each second and last layer. Easy to use, unroll and cut sections. This technology increases the durability and stability of the project. Let's explore the technology of installing Borak element Starpsinu panels, a breakthrough in modern construction. With a thickness of 100 mm and sound insulation of up to 50 dB, these panels provide excellent thermal insulation efficiency with a coefficient of U equals 0.22 W per meter K. The assembly process is quick and precise, saving time and ensuring optimal durability. This system improves performance and construction quality, creating an ideal living and working environment. Admire Construction Robotics. Mule and Sam are transforming the construction industry with groundbreaking technology. Mule lifts and moves heavy materials, reducing workload for workers and improving efficiency. Sam, an automatic wall-building robot, builds walls with exceptional speed and precision. This combination not only enhances work efficiency but also improves construction quality and saves significant time. The Ready Rock earth retaining wall system combines strength and aesthetics with heights of up to 2.4 meters and weights of 1,200 to 2,000 kg per block. The walls have a bearing capacity of 35 kilonewtons per meter, effectively preventing erosion in harsh weather conditions. Quick installation thanks to the smart connection system. Ready Rock is ideal for mountainous terrain and steep areas, providing sustainability and natural beauty, in harmony with the surrounding environment. If you like this video about 3D house building technology, please leave comment number 1. Imagine the impression when the next-gen Hadrian X completed its first outdoor test. With advanced robotics technology, Hadrian X installs building blocks with 1 mm accuracy and speeds of thousands of blocks per day. Capable of handling masonry up to 600 x 400 m, it creates strong and uniform walls. The combination of artificial intelligence and sophisticated design of Hadrian X opens a new era for automated construction, leaving everyone in awe. Big Delta WASP-12M really makes everyone gasp. At 12 meters tall, this giant 3D printer creates massive structures from ecological materials such as clay and concrete. The precision and ability to design complex shapes not only reduces waste but also opens up new opportunities for sustainable architecture. Seeing the 12M building in operation was an emotional experience, opening up a truly innovative and promising future of construction. The process of installing TC plastic formwork is a breakthrough in the construction industry. The formwork is light but durable, assembled quickly and accurately, creating a perfect mold for the concrete. This not only reduces construction time but also ensures construction quality. Using TC plastic formwork helps save costs and improve performance, bringing maximum satisfaction to customers. Reciply residual pointing for Indian tiles improves efficiency compared to traditional methods. The process begins with cleaning the joints and removing mortar residue. Reciply mortar, with fast drying and good waterproofing properties, is applied to joints up to 10 mm deep. Compared to traditional methods, Reciply provides sharper, more durable and easier to maintain joints, helping to improve the aesthetics and durability of tile floors. Explore the Kiwa BDA acrylic tile installation process from building systems, starting with a clean surface. Tiles measuring 200 x 50 m and 6 mm thick are attached with specialized glue, giving a durable and beautiful finish. The process is quick, creates a weather-resistant surface, and is easy to maintain. Let's admire the 3D printed house in Germany that uses a high-capacity printer to create a structure from ecological concrete. This technology prints each mortar layer with millimeter precision, reducing waste and optimizing construction time. The result is a luxurious, sustainable and energy-efficient living space. This is a symbol of innovation in construction, opening up a promising sustainable future. At Gamuda Garden, Rawang, beam installation using a truss structure is taking place with precision. A gantry system was used to lift and place the 63-meter-long, 114-ton beams into position. The process begins with assembling the structural truss, then using specialized cranes to lift the beams. The beams are lowered slowly and accurately into predetermined positions on the construction site, thereby ensuring construction quality and contributing to project progress. The process of wall insulation with a layer of 7 mm tiles is truly an artistic wonder in construction. First, a thick layer of insulation is applied to the wall surface, creating a warm and sturdy protective coat. Then, 7 mm thin bricks are cleverly arranged, not only creating a sophisticated appearance but also improving heat insulation efficiency. This technology helps homes stay cozy in winter and cool in summer, while significantly reducing energy costs. Installing pavers or blocos de concreto on sidewalks helps improve drainage effectively. The ground is prepared and sanded, then the pavers are arranged at even intervals so that rainwater can easily penetrate. This design reduces flooding, prevents erosion and keeps sidewalks dry, while also saving on maintenance costs. Explore the House of Dust, a 3D sculpture that makes everyone admire. With a 3D printer at a speed of 10 centimeters per hour, each layer of material is created with great precision, resulting in a unique artistic structure. From exquisite detail to captivating beauty, this work is a testament to the endless creativity of this new technology. Logri School swimming pool shines with new polyurea coating. This technology not only protects the swimming pool from water and chemicals but also highlights its luxurious beauty. With quick drying time and outstanding durability, this coating keeps your swimming pool looking fresh, ready for hours of great relaxation. A breakthrough that makes everyone admire. Pekafil thermal insulation formwork system is a breakthrough construction solution. With a 100 m thick foam layer and 0.35 W/mK insulation, Pekafil keeps foundation temperatures stable, reducing energy costs and preventing heat loss. High load-bearing capacity and precise shaping ability help improve durability and construction quality. PecaFill not only optimizes energy efficiency but also brings sustainability to construction projects. API's Core's 3D construction technology is creating a buzz in the modern building industry. Using 3D printers, API's Core can construct complete houses in just a few days. This 3D printer layers concrete, building walls with impressive precision and speed. This technology not only minimizes material waste but also optimizes construction costs. With API's Core, the future of construction will be faster, more efficient, and more sustainable than ever.